The dying bug or dead bug exercise is another great core stability exercise to help us resist extension of the spine. Also teaches how to keep the core connected and while maintaining that connection through our core during limb movement. So similar to what we discussed in the bird dog exercise video, this more will focus on the front side of our oblique slings, whereas the bird dog will focus more on the posterior or back side of those slings and how we work through extension. This will be more flexion based, so shoulder and hip flexion. The way this setup is going to work is you can place a pillow or something underneath our head and our chin just to try to promote a neutral posture at the neck. Don't be extended at the chin. Keep it tucked. Here we're going to find ourselves in 90 degrees hip flexion, 90 degrees of knee flexion, toes pulled back. We'll want to maintain an intra-abdominal pressure and bracing through the core. If you're unfamiliar with that means, you can check out other videos on our page here to get more instruction on how to properly brace and establish intra-abdominal pressure. From here, what we're going to do is bring the arms up. Now, we can work simply through shoulder flexion, maintaining connection here through the core. We don't want the ribs kicking up and getting a rib flare, which would also follow with lumbar extension. We want to maintain that crunch down, so almost like a sternal crunch, maintaining that pressure. Pull back in. You can extend one leg out. You can extend the other leg out. We can also go into a cross pattern here where we extend the opposite arm and leg and then bring those back. For some challenge, we can bring again into an extension pattern and we can draw squares. Okay, draw shapes, circle, triangle, whatever you feel like. Also, we could grab a physio ball. Place that between the knees, okay, and hands. And as we extend out, we maintain control of the ball with some slight pressure into the ball between the knee and the hand. So here, if I'm extending out with my left leg, my right arm, I have some slight inward pressure with my left hand and right knee. And then I can reverse that. Again, that is the dead bug, dying bug exercise, focusing on core stability for distal athleticism.